Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find a Wattpad story you lost. All right. So basically, we are trying to find a story that we have read before. As we all know, the Wattpad app or the Wattpad website doesn't have a reading history feature. They don't have tips that helps Wattpadders find stories that they've read but didn't add to their library. All right. So if you read this story recently, you can go ahead and check the library right here at the bottom. And here we have the other stories. All right, you'll be able to find the recent stories that you've read in here. Okay, going back, go ahead and use the search function right here at the bottom besides the home page. Just tap on it. Now try searching for the story with related tags. For example, the tag is like a romance. All right, tap on the search bar and type in $, which is a tag. Now go ahead and type in romance. Okay, just like these. Once that's done, just hit on the search function. All right, and you'll be able to find romance related stories right here. Now if you still can't find it, you have these filters. All right, like the last updated content and some other stuffs. Okay, now if you still can't find it, you can try to contact the author to see if the story has been removed. Now the next one would be if you remember the story title. All right, that would be great. Now go back to the search bar right here. Now type in title, colon, space, the title of the story. All right. For example, my first Wattpad story, just like that, and just hit on the search function. All right. Now, if you still can't find it here, you can go ahead and open up your favorite browser, go to google.com, and then try to type it down in here and hit on the search function. And that's basically how to do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.